Hello glass industry, it's Mark from Glass Open Book, and in this episode news from SCHOTT, International Cookware and RHI Magnesita. So let's roll the intro! We'd love to thank Epic for sponsoring this episode. On Glass Open Book, the company presents its flagship software DES. DES is the world's first independent system to use smart algorithms for eliminating glass container forming defects. This system gives clear step-by-step instructions to the glass forming machine operator, memorizes actions taken, analyzes decisions made, and distributes them to all production lines, plants, and countries where the company operates. Contact the company via Glass Open Book to request a trial. Decarbonization. One word, but there is so much challenge behind it. I'm sure some companies panic when they realize that, we have to achieve all our environmental goals and reach carbon neutrality by 2030? How are we gonna achieve that? Authorities in the EU member states understand this, and some countries launch grant programs to help the energy-intensive industries meet the standards. So does Germany. The Federal Ministry for the Environment, Nature Conservation and Nuclear Safety is supporting energy-intensive industries in Germany in their efforts to achieve carbon neutrality with their Decarbonizing the Industry grant program. And can you guess who has received the funding? Right, the German glass manufacturer SCHOTT. The government subsidies will be used for two development projects that aim to replace the fossil fuel natural gas with electricity from renewable energy sources in heating the company's glass melting units in the future. The first development project focuses on the melting processes for pharmaceutical glass, which is used, for example, in the manufacturing the vials for COVID-19 vaccines. Here, the research funding amounts to around 784,000 euros. The second project involves the melting processes for specialty glass used in technical applications, and here the grant amounts to 3.72 million euros. So, well-deserved shot, and we look forward to seeing some groundbreaking innovations. Not only Germany alone supports the energy-intensive glass industry. The French government has also launched the France Relance project, which is intended to help the domestic industry in the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, as it recovers from the lockdowns caused by the pandemic. And International Cookware company has received the funding as they are planning to rebuild their furnace in order to make it energy efficient and ready for partial electrification. So, good luck to them as well. And the final news for today. We talk a lot about the glass furnaces or furnace rebuilds, but you can't have one without the refractories. RHI Magnesita, which is the technology leader in the refractories industry, has fired up the new 122-meter-long lightweight tunnel kiln at their Urmitz plant in Germany. The kiln generates temperatures of up to 1550 degrees Celsius and is primarily used to fire bricks for the refractory lining of aggregates, which are essential for the glass industry. RHI Magnesita has invested a total of 23 million euros in the site, which in return should bring in the increase in the plant's capacity by around 25,000 tons per year and 10% better energy efficiency. These figures won't be achieved only thanks to the kiln. The investment is accompanied by the modernization, automation and all-encompassing digitalization of the plant, which are decisive factors for the optimization of the value chain.
RHI Magnesita is the technology leader in the refractories industry. As an innovation driver, we have set ourselves the goal to retool and expand our plant in Urmitz as a Central European hub to produce non-basic refractory products. This will enable us to meet customer requirements even more specifically and with even higher quality.
That's it for this week. Send us the news for the next episodes and we value your feedback. It's been Mark from Glass Open Book. See you next week. Goodbye.